Hi there guys, well for 2022 at last we're getting our workshops back on the road. Our first one is a day at the Sacrum in East Maitland. It's actually going to be 2 nights, 2 4-hour sessions covering a full 8 hours and a full day up in Tamworth, and we're also looking at going out to Bathurst as well. So here's a little video that will show you the assessments that we'll be covering for an upslip, a sacral upslip. It's very common with clients that come in with low back pain, using muscle energy techniques and soft tissue techniques. Very easy to correct and goes a long way to helping your clients get over their issues, their pain issues, not their issues. Anyway, hope you like it. Look forward to seeing you there. Thanks for watching.
What's happening in flexion and extension, because that's what we do. We bend down, we stand up, we twist, we turn. So again with Beck, we can see the sacral sulcus. It's nice and easy. So we're going to come in there, we're going to palpate PSISs, and we're just going to come up. So I've got the PSIS sitting just above my thumb there, so I can feel where it is. And Beck, just slowly bend forward for me. See how they move up? And come back for me, please, Beck. And they come back. So see how they're riding up nice and evenly and then coming back nice and evenly. Something that will increase the palpometer rating is don't look, just feel. Okay? Okay, so there's PSIS, PSIS, and what I'm feeling here on Megan is the right one feels a little bit more posterior than the left one, so it actually feels like one sitting there and one sitting there. That's what it feels like. So what I'm going to do is, once again, like we did this morning, I'm going to get the PSIS on the top of my thumb, or my thumb underneath the PSIS, and slowly bend forward for us, please. Whoa, look at that.
Wow.
And come back up. Yeah. Okay, go again for me.
Yep.
Big movement there, isn't it? And
Yeah.
come back up.
That showed up when I did it too.
Yeah. Okay.